Welcome to the Rooftop Revolution. My name is Eddie Chavez, Director of Product Management for Lennox Commercial. Thank you for joining us as we introduce a culmination of years in work and dedication from every single cross-functional group here at Lennox. And I've got to tell you, the Model L is the most exciting project I have worked on. Today, we are introducing our most powerful, most efficient, and most advanced rooftop unit in the industry. An ultra-efficient design delivers complete comfort at the lowest total cost of ownership while reducing maintenance and service costs. The new Model L rooftop unit is powered by the revolutionary Lennox Core Control System. This powerful controller is paired with a mobile app interface using intuitive menus, making service and maintenance easier than ever before. The Lennox Core Controller, along with the advanced variable speed technology, maximizes energy savings. But that's just the beginning. Premium diagnostic features reduce installation, service, and maintenance expenses to provide the lowest total cost of ownership in the industry. So let's take a look at the features and benefits of Model L. As I mentioned, Model L is the most exciting product that I've worked on, and it really showcases the grit of every Lennox team. It's a project that we've been working on for several years. In fact, we have conducted focus groups with some of you on the call to ensure that we meet your needs and make you competitive in your marketplaces. If we look at our package rooftop product offering, everyone's familiar with Landmark. Landmark is offering both standard and high efficiency, and with a standard set of controls, features, and customization options. Moving up the portfolio, we have Energens, with a higher offering of controls, features, and customization. Energens is offered in high efficiency, and a few years ago we introduced ultra-high efficiency models. You'll notice, however, we've positioned Energens ultra-high efficiency models slightly to the left of the Energens high efficiency product line. That is because ultra-high efficiency is not offered in every tonnage. And there are some options that are not offered in ultra-high efficiency, such as Humidity. Well, that changes today. Today we're introducing Model L, which replaces Energens ultra-high efficiency. And not only does it replace it, we are making it the most complete 3 to 25 ton ultra-high efficiency product offering. So let's take a quick look at why Model L is the most complete product offering. Model L is the most complete ultra-high efficiency product offering because of the options and advanced technology we are introducing. It features variable speed compressors across all sizes from 3 to 25 tons. We are introducing the Variable Direct Plus blower system in smaller tonnages, now available from 3 to 12.5 tons. And everyone's familiar with Humidity. Well, today we're introducing a modulating version, which we call Humidity Plus, and it's available from 3 to 25 tons. One feature that you've been asking for is VAV across all of our tonnages. Well, today we're proud to introduce VAV from 3 to 25 tons on Model L. Model L is packed with technology. We took the last few years to put as much as we can to revolutionize the HVAC industry. First, lead variable speed compressors in every box from 3 to 25 tons. Next, the Variable Speed Direct Plus blower system is available from 3 to 12.5 tons. And we not only bring dehumidification in ultra-high efficiency, we are introducing an all-new modulating dehumidification. And one of the features that we've heard from you through those focus groups is VAV on all tonnages from 3 to 25 tons. So let's take a look inside the Model L. We're going to be looking at a 7.5 to 12.5 ton model. First, an inverter-driven lead variable speed compressor allows the system to use just enough energy to maintain the space demand. Next, The Direct Plus variable speed blower eliminates the need for belts and pulleys while giving you the benefit of variable airflow. Through this variable speed technology, we're able to provide standard with all Model L units enhanced dehumidification. This allows users to remove some moisture while the unit is running in cooling operation. But for those areas where enhanced dehumidification is not enough, we have the optional Humidity Plus. Humidity Plus allows variable dehumidification to maintain comfortable humidity levels using less energy than traditional on and off dehumidification systems. And of course, the Lennox Core Unit Controller, which revolutionizes the way we interface with the unit. We have equipped the unit with a diagnostics and sensor system to ensure the unit runs intelligently and reliably. And we did not stop there. We are including BACnet in both IP and MSTP standard on every unit with the core controller. But here is where we revolutionize the industry. Every Model L comes with a wireless gateway, which allows us to interface with the optional wireless zone sensors as well as our Lennox Core Service app. The Lennox Core Service app is available in both Android and iOS for phones and tablets. It changes the way technicians interface with the unit throughout the use of intuitive menus on the palm of your hand. To showcase the benefits of this new technology and the features of Model L, we've created a video. So let's take a look at it.
Lennox is proud to introduce Model L, the most powerful and advanced rooftop unit to date. Model L delivers premium features and energy savings with less maintenance and easier service. This ultra-high efficiency rooftop line features both gas-electric and electric-electric units with nominal cooling capacities from 3 to 25 tons. These units are equipped with advanced variable speed technology, optional Humidity Plus, and indoor air quality solutions designed to bring complete comfort to a wide variety of commercial applications. Model L units feature the revolutionary Lennox Core Control System. The Core Control System optimizes unit performance, features open integration through built-in BACnet, and connects to optional wireless zone sensors. It interfaces via the all-new Lennox Core Service app, which makes service with Model L both quicker and easier. Model L rooftop units and the Lennox Core Service app maximize efficiency of maintenance and service operations, reducing operational costs and minimizing downtime. Intelligent operation of variable speed components delivers energy-efficient temperature and humidity control for the lowest total cost of ownership in the industry. Model L is ideal for those that value a low total cost of ownership over the unit's lifetime. Welcome to the rooftop revolution.
We hope you're as excited as we are. So let's take a look at the Model L timeline. First, Energen's Ultra models will be phased out of production by mid-March. Keep in mind, these are only the ultra high efficiency models and does not impact the high efficiency Energen's models. Model L production starts at the beginning of April and will ramp up through the beginning of May. Deliveries will begin mid-May and ramp up and continue through mid-June. We hope you're as excited as we are and welcome you to join us on this rooftop revolution. Model L is currently in production. For ordering or additional details, please contact your Lennox sales representative. I'll now turn it over to Tate Byers, who will cover the mechanical specifications of Model L.
Thank you, Eddie. My name is Tate Byers, and I'm a product manager for Lennox Commercial. Today, I'll be going over some of the mechanical features of the Model L rooftop units. So starting with the 3 through 6 ton mechanical platform, this is going to feature one inverter-driven variable speed compressor with the Direct Plus blower as well as outdoor variable speed outdoor ECM fans, so that all main components of this system will be fully variable speed. The gas heat options are going to be two-stage low NOx gas heat, and the electric heat is going to be the same as Energint's high efficiency and ultra. Looking at the 7.5 through 12.5 ton platform, this is going to be our B-box. So we're going to have a lead variable speed compressor with one fixed speed lag compressor. The blower is going to be the 3.75 horsepower direct plus motor, and that's going to be for all of the tonnages in that range. And then the evaporator and condenser coil, like the A-box units, will be all tube and fin coils. And so when you look at the condenser fans, we're going to have the two ECM outdoor fans, again, making every component in the system fully variable speed, with the gas and electric heat options being the same as Energint's high efficiency and ultra high efficiency today. So we take a look at the B-box cooling changes. The ultra high efficiency Energint's B-box had the two tandem compressors, and so that resulted in higher EERs, but it limited our low ambient mechanical cooling operating range. And so as we bring on the variable speed compressor with the fixed speed compressor, we're able to achieve higher IEERs in a smaller and lighter chassis. And we also get mechanical cooling down to 0 degrees Fahrenheit. And so when we look at the chassis, the Energint's Ultra B was in that B plus, or that extended chassis that didn't allow for the full perimeter curves. With the introduction of Model L, we will now be in the Energint's high efficiency B-box chassis. So again, that's going to be roughly 5% lighter, but it does allow you to get that full perimeter curve on these units. Looking at the 13 through 25 ton mechanical platform, the compressor again will be that lead variable speed compressor with two or three fixed speed compressors, just depending on the tonnage. The blower is going to be the inverter driven belt drive, fully variable indoor blower. Evaporator coil again will be tube and fin, same as the condenser coil. And then we look at the gas heat and the electric heat options. Again, those will be the same as Energint's Ultra and high efficiency. Looking again at the C-box cooling changes, we used to have two sets of tandem compressors that again limited our tonnage offering, but also limited our low ambient cooling range. And so with the introduction of Model L, we were able to add 13 and 17.5 ton models, as well as increase that mechanical operating range for mechanical cooling. And so, like I said, we were able to operate mechanical cooling down to 0 degrees Fahrenheit without any additional controls, which most competitors are not able to match. And this gives us a best-in-class operating range for cooling with the Model L units. All right, so you're going to hear the term common cooling platform quite a bit today. Let's take a second and talk about what that means and why it's important. And so the common cooling platform refers to the physical components across the Model L rooftop units, but also the features and benefits that are available with the Model L units. So because each model features a lead variable speed compressor, we can apply all of the benefits of the variable speed compression to each tonnage range within Model L. And that, in my opinion, I think that really simplifies the message to the end user with having variable speed in all of our units. The next is going to be the optional Humidity Plus, which is available on all single zone VAV models from 3 to 25 tons. And so now we can offer an ultra high efficiency unit with hot gas reheat, which we were not able to before. So all Model L units feature a fully variable speed blower. So the 3 through 25 tons feature the direct plus blower, which we talked about, while the 13 through 25 tons will feature that VFD belt-driven motor. And then with each Model L unit, we'll have both single-zone and multi-zone VAV operation, and that's going to provide superior comfort and efficiency for every application we apply Model L. And so what that kind of all leads to is really a bunch of synergies with the Model L rooftop line. And so these common features, with our common cooling platform, they will drive common unit operation, repair parts, service processes, and even BAS integration. And so all of that's going to contribute to a simpler product, a product that's going to deliver the lowest total cost of ownership in the industry, and it will help our customers reach their end goals. And so since variable speed is at the heart of the Model L common cooling platform, let's review the technology in a little more detail. So it's important that we can connect the benefits and the features of variable speed to the end user or customer benefit. And so the first is going to be discharge air control. And Model L with the variable speed compressor is going to provide a constant discharge air temperature for premium space comfort. And then load matching. So this is going to allow us to avoid uncomfortable temperature swings in the space by matching the load that is required for that space. So quiet part load operation with all of the components being fully variable speed. When we're operating a part load, which most units do most of the time, we're able to reduce the speed and therefore reduce the noise in the space, creating a quiet, premium comfort environment. And so the last will be increased passive dehumidification. So variable speed compressors are able to provide both passive and enhanced dehumidification for better humidity control and comfort. And so, that is going to help us with all of the applications that we apply Model L and really provide top-notch humidity control. So along with all the customer benefits, variable speed compressors also provide great efficiency benefits as well. So the inverter-driven variable speed compressors are extremely efficient in part load operation and applications, which reduce operating costs and lower energy bills for our customers. The variable speed compressor will also reduce the compressor cycling, as it can vary its speed to match the load in the space. This is going to result in less wasted energy and increase reliability for that customer. And so the Model L features single zone VAV operation, which controls both the blower and variable speed compressor in a variable capacity. And that's going to optimize the amount of energy used by the system to really only deliver what's required by the space to maintain that superior comfort. So the next technology we want to go over is the Humidity Plus. And so I'm going to start that with a video of myself at PD&R, just kind of going over the technology and reviewing what Humidity Plus is. All right, so we're here to talk about the Humidity Plus operation with the Model L rooftop units. And so where we're going to start is the Linux Core Unit Controller. The Core Unit Controller is responsible for operating each component of the system in a variable speed capacity to optimize the amount of moisture removed during a dehumidification call. And so what we're going to be doing with the variable speed compressor is that we're going to be modulating it based on the dehumidification demand in the space. And so the higher that demand is, that compressor will ramp up and deliver more dehumidification capability. When you look at the outdoor fan and what the outdoor fan's doing, the outdoor fan is modulating based on the discharge air temperature. So if we need the discharge air temperature to increase or decrease, the fan will modulate in order to maintain a neutral discharge air temperature. As we take a look inside the blower cabinet, the Direct Plus blower will be modulating to maintain a saturated suction temperature. And really what that is that's the evaporator coil temperature, and it's optimizing it to remove the most amount of moisture from the system as possible without freezing the indoor coil. And so that is basically what makes up the Humidity Plus system. Obviously there's a reheat coil in there which you cannot see. It's very similar to Energint's high efficiency. But again, the Humidity Plus system is going to deliver neutral air at a wider range of conditions because of the core unit controller and its ability to modulate all of the components in the system. And then it wouldn't be a Linux unit if it wasn't serviceable. And so I got a video that I'm going to show you guys. We're going to take a look at some of the service-friendly features of the Model L. All right, so I'm going to give you a quick tour of the Model L 5-ton unit. We'll start here with the toolless filter access. As you can see, you just open up the door with the handle. Hinge is open. You can remove your filter just like that. No tools required. As we move on, We'll check out the blower compartment next. Again, hinged access doors create easy access to both the blower and the gas heating compartment. So you can do all your service maintenance pretty easy here. Very simple, easy to access. So yeah. And then the last place we want to talk about is the core unit controller and the variable speed compressor. It's in this isolated compressor compartment, so you can run all your tests, diagnostics, everything like that without having to close the door and wait for the system to stabilize. Very nice feature, very beneficial for getting on and off the roof quickly. So all in all, this is probably the best looking rooftop unit that I've ever seen.
Thank you for joining the Rooftop Revolution. Be sure to check out the exhibit hall for more information on Model L.